congratulate the graduates of 2024 of all the public schools in the division of Cebu Province. It is a feat that it is the product of prayers, hard work, perseverance, and determination to succeed. Truly, it calls for a celebration. School year 2023-2024 has been a colorful year. It was marked with successes made possible by dedication and the relentless to pursue success on one side, but also marked with challenges and difficulties on the other, which in one way or another affected the delivery of learning and basic services. Diba? Do you find it challenging from face-to-face, ni modular, dayon face-to-face upon modular na sad? Challenging, dili. Challenging na lang, excited na sila, matawag sa diploma ba? However, these did not mar the Department of Education, Division of Cebu Province, to continue with the pursuit of learning with dedication and commitment. Mao na siya naamo karon, no? To that, I salute and thank everyone, the learners, the teachers, the administrators, and non-teaching staff. Of course, our local